Good day everyone. This is another task, and this task is that we are to write a script that generates the assembly code that is in Intel syntax, the assembly code in Intel syntax of a C code, and this code should not be saved in an output file. So I've already written the code. And what Intel syntax simply means, it is just one of the two main syntaxes for writing assembly code. And we have like AT&T syntax, and which is commonly used with assemblers like masm, that NASM. We have the one for masm, or this TASM, which if you want to really learn more about that, you can learn that under assembly code, right, on assembly language. So now to do the task, I've already compiled it. So let me try to run it if everything is working fine. So let's make this on the board. So now to do this file, I have to export it by doing export. Then I'll say CFILE, right, equal to main.c. Then I'll press enter, right. So now if I should cut my main.c. Okay, see, my cat.main.c is working perfectly, right? So now, and to run this, I'll say the name of the file is 100 Intel. That's the, then I find Intel, then say okay. So now I've run it, and to save and to see my assembly code, which is .s, I'll say cat main.s. Say okay. Can you see that? So my file is working perfectly, and this is the output of the result, and this is the code, this is the script I've written with shebang, and then this is the source code. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Take care.